Redwani Helsabai. The chief guest is accompanied by a round of applause.
यह बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत की है शहीदों ने, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। हमारी मातृभूमि भारत का स्वतंत्रता दिवस हम सभी के लिए अत्यंत हर्ष एवं गौरव का दिवस है। यह उस ऐतिहासिक दिन को चिन्हित करता है जब आज से 74 वर्ष पूर्व 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमें आज़ादी मिली थी। आज हम सभी महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु आदि महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को उनके द्वारा किए गए संघर्षों व बलिदानों को याद कर उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं। चलो फिर से वह नजारा याद कर ले, शहीदों के दिलों में थी वह ज्वाला याद कर ले। Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. Today, as I stand on this warm threshold, our national flag is soaring high in the sky. Without a single stain of doubt, it is the most beautiful thing in the entire world. Our national anthem too has found a steady echo in our hearts, and the splendid air is filling us with patriotism. It is indeed Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Today I feel overwhelmed with a vivid set of emotions. I am happy but sad, joyous but sorrowful, confident but afraid, and thankful but helpless. We are going through one of the toughest periods of time that humankind has ever faced. We have witnessed death and destruction. Innocent people have lost their lives. Entire economies have collapsed and life has just stopped. But we will not give up. We will not perish. We will fight just like our ancestors once did against tyranny and oppression, and their sincere efforts brought a new nobility in our lives. Great names like Mahatma Gandhi and Shahid Bhagat Singh once dreamt of a great India, and they made immeasurable sacrifices for it.
बेगम हजरत महल, नाना साहेब, बिरसा मुंडा, भगत सिंह जैसे अनगिनत ज्ञात और अज्ञात स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के जुनून और बलिदानों से 200 साल बाद भारत को मजबूत स्वतंत्रता की नींव मिली। लेकिन अब चुनौती थी टूटे, बिखरे और पिछड़े भारत के पुनः निर्माण की। तो फिर कदम उठे और कारवां चलने लगे।
शून्य संख्या का मूल्य।
जय जय भारत माता।
एकला चालो।
राष्ट्र को समर्पित लेखन।
सशक्त भारत।
उन्नत समाज, उन्नत राष्ट्र।
विज्ञान भविष्य की नींव है।
सुरक्षा मेरा ध्येय।
सपने वो नहीं जो हम सोने के बाद देखते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो आप सोने नहीं देते।
मेरा सपना अंतरिक्ष में लहराता तिरंगा अपना, स्वर्णिम आभा से चमकता भारत, स्वर्णिम आभा से चमकता भारत। इनके जैसे असंख्य भारतीय जिन्होंने अपने लक्ष्य को पहचाना, अभावों को अवसर में बदल स्वतंत्रता की मजबूत नींव पर नव भारत के सुदृढ़ निर्माण में योगदान दिया। गत 74 वर्षों से लेकर आज की इन विषम परिस्थितियों में भी प्रत्येक भारतीय, विशेष रूप से हमारे चिकित्सक, अध्यापकगण और स्वच्छता के प्रहरी देश को पुनः विश्व गुरु बनाने के लिए दृढ़ संकल्पित हैं। अधिकारों की दावेदारी नहीं, कर्तव्यों का भान हो, विश्व पटल पर उन्नत भारत, अब मेरी पहचान हो, अब मेरी पहचान हो। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
This is a happy and emotional day for all children of Mother India. Since my childhood, the tricolor flag has fascinated me. Each color in its full vibrance, signifying the forms of secularism, equality, liberty, peace, growth, and above all, one nation with varied culture and unity in diversity.
On this occasion, it's my job to thank all of you, the students who spoke so convincingly, the staff who put up this beautiful program today, all the other colleagues who contributed to this day's ceremony. I, from the depth of my heart, sincerely thank you. We hear every year about what our great leaders in the past have done to achieve this moment of freedom. They fought with the Britishers to make us free, to breathe freedom. As one of the speakers said, now we are no more the foreigners to blame on. We have achieved much since 47, and if we have to achieve more, it is we who have to achieve. And achievement will come when we break all those chains that tie us down today, whether it is a regionalism or caste against which we are not able to proceed. It is only then we will achieve fully what our great leaders dreamt for us. Let's not leave their dreams and our future without any direction, aimless. Let us fulfill it by listening to what the Shaurya Yatra had to say. It's not our rights, but our duties that it comes first. We need to be dutiful citizens today. There can't be a shortcut to life and to progress. Wherever there is shortcut, there is corruption. And wherever there is corruption, there is downfall. Whichever place it is, whichever organization it is, if there is half-hearted service, we will never achieve our aim. So, let's carry this message, the message that Ma'am Kshama gave, the children gave, and also pray that our country is fully democratic, social and secular, and the progressive country. Let us contribute our bit. Most often we think things will go on, even if I am not there. If I don't contribute, things are going on. That is one of the greatest drawbacks that we face. Let's say, let me be the first. And you see the difference. In a small community, in a large community, in the country-wise or in the nation-wise, you will see the effect of that one statement. Let me be the first to contribute, to be dutiful. With these words, I wish you very, very happy Independence Day. Once again, I would like to thank ma'am, all the staff, children, every one of you who have contributed to this ceremony. Thank you. God bless you.